Ha ceir hiad bliana an bhna rannig bata as an riach gönigtje a Mayflower dúich nam Wampanoag Costa Sir America tua. An deachgansa goscail da haspana gan an Plymouth, fer ha a sealtain jachtri an turishin, agus fer eile muchultan am Wampanoag. Cria a chultar sin ha Chris an Wampam.
It would be used to convey leadership to somebody who was in power in our community. And these belts often were used to hold the story of our community.
Chanje evain gwylet son an kuch chultar in de winter vrechta in Kata. Ha overele achke son an tashbani.
Our King Philip Matacom was killed, his wampum belt taken. It was taken and brought to the UK, and we never saw it again. And that was one of those really special belts that had a great deal of history to it. We would love to have that belt returned to us, but it can't be found.
Hier film an Plymouth Kuchach, mumara Kuchich Shaun Wiepel gave and Kuchanan ava ergola B Narash.
They began to reconstruct the orthography of the language basically by looking at that Bible as their Rosetta Stone. So we're able to determine what's a noun, what's a verb, how are things described, and how the sentence structure was and still is, how it was derived.
Kui kwasaman, yuka tapaton tamawana, kamina kuwana. Kamina wana tamawokana nonash, use natwana tamawokanash, kakisana wanan, wachi, kutaki mo aniyaman, kabong mataak.
Lillian Ejeno Urni Matnya. Anan Davil Sishiagia, Goskal Skolchanain, Agus Hamu Hoikiat Nyach, Shenis Og, Kursichin Egalanchen, get nach Elach mo Jechner you filante Nishes Kolach. Ach Sul Jimaraha Fisachke, Mumar Bochor and Kanan Uemnchug.
It's part of the Algonquian language family, and there still are other languages that were still spoken. So we are able to borrow our sound and our pronunciation based on the existence of the languages that are still spoken, and that's basically how we've done it. I mean, is it identical to the way it was spoken back in the 1600s? I don't think we'll ever know.
Agus Kish Shagudaga vi counts Bachach Sagalik Kuchach.
Car didn't exist back in the mid 1600s, and so thinking about that, it's like, okay, well, it rolls, and it's got 4 wheels. So the name of a car is Yawiquat, which literally means 4 rolling.
Biet na missionary en brechtenach, a hooker na Wampanoag en kuch chritju akal wochien kerhiat bliana, a sound trojaun wiebel, a huret en kuch hanan arash en nische. Andreas Wolf, BBC Anwa.